Look at this, 3.74 million subscribers. With just 129 videos, one video crossed over 334 million views. And right next to it, this channel, 238,000 subscribers, 101 videos. A single short sitting at 374 million views. Same format, same niche. Numbers like that on almost every upload. Here's what makes this the right moment. AI video tools just made this entire format completely free to replicate. No clay, no bricks, no camera. The video playing right now, I built it using nothing but free AI tools and one prompt. And I'm not going to walk you through some complicated workflow that takes all day. I'm going to show you how to recreate this exact format of cinematic, scroll-stopping AI video from a single prompt, completely free. The finished video you'll see at the end of this tutorial, built using this exact process. One prompt, 6 scenes, 60 seconds. No editing experience, no budget, no face on camera. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete cinematic AI short sitting on your device, ready to post. We go from a blank screen to a finished video using free AI tools. And I've already built the full production prompt for you. Just write Simpleey AI in the comments, and I'll tell you exactly where and how to get this prompt. Let's get started. The first thing you need is an AI chatbot. You can use ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or any chatbot you're comfortable with. But for this tutorial, I'm using Claude AI, and I'll show you exactly why in a second. For now, open Claude AI and start a new chat. Here's where most people would stop and say, okay, but what do I even ask? Don't worry. I've already built a complete production prompt specifically for this type of video. And when I say complete, I mean it handles everything. The niche, the idea, the image prompts, the motion prompts, every single piece of the production, from the first frame to the last clip, all generated from one single prompt. Getting this prompt is simple. Just like this video and write Simpleey AI in the comments below, and I'll reply with exactly where to find it. Once you have it, copy the entire prompt, paste it into Claude AI, and hit send. In a few seconds, Claude will generate 5 video ideas for you. Pick the one you want, reply with the number, and hit send again. Now, watch what Claude does next. It processes the entire production workflow and hands you back everything. Your first frame image prompt, followed by 6 motion prompts that build you a complete 60-second video, scene by scene. The entire blueprint is sitting right there. That's your roadmap. Every visual, every movement, every scene, planned and ready to go. Now that the blueprint is ready, the next step is turning those prompts into actual visuals. For this, we're going to use Flow AI. And yes, it's completely free. Go back to Claude AI and copy the first frame image prompt. That's the one sitting right at the very top. Everything Claude generated for you, that's where it starts. Now open Flow AI and create a new project. Inside the prompt box, you'll see a small icon. Click it and make sure it's set to image mode. Then set your aspect ratio. This part is a simple decision. If you're making a long-form YouTube video, select 16:9. If you're making a short, select 9:16. I'm going with 9:16 for this tutorial. Set the output to 1x, select Nano Banana Pro as the model, paste your prompt, and hit send. Now watch this. In just a few seconds, our first frame image is ready. This image is the foundation of the entire video. Everything gets built from this single starting point. One prompt, one image, and the visual identity of your video already exists. Here's what makes this interesting. We're not going to need any other images after this. Every clip, every scene, every movement in this video is going to grow directly out of this one frame. That's the starting point locked in. Now the question is, how do we bring this to life? This is where things get interesting. Go back to Claude AI and copy Motion Prompt 1. Then go back to Flow AI. But this time, click the settings icon and switch from image mode to video mode. Keep the aspect ratio at 9:16, output at 1x. This time, select OmniFlash as the video model. Set the duration to 10 seconds, paste your motion prompt, and hit send. Now, watch what happens. Flow AI takes that first frame and pulls it into motion. In just a few moments, we have 10 seconds of cinematic movement built entirely from one prompt. Click the 3-dot icon and download the clip. Now, here's the technique that makes this whole video work. And this is the part most people are going to miss. Once the download is finished, open the clip and watch it all the way through, right to the very last frame. Pause it there at the end and take a screenshot. That last frame becomes your bridge into the next clip. That's how we keep every scene connected and the movement flowing smoothly from one clip to the next. So right now, you have your first clip downloaded and your screenshot ready. One scene done, 10 seconds built, and the video is already moving. Now we take that screenshot and use it to generate the next clip. Go back to Claude AI and copy Motion Prompt 2. Then go back to Flow AI. Click the plus icon and upload the screenshot you took from clip 1. Drag that screenshot into the prompt box. Paste Motion Prompt 2, confirm all the settings are exactly the same as before, and hit send. That's it. That's the entire technique. Flow AI uses that last frame as the starting point and builds the next clip directly from it. No jump cuts, no disconnected scenes. Every clip grows naturally out of the one before it. And that's what gives this video its cinematic feel. Once clip 2 is ready, download it, watch it to the last frame, take a screenshot, and repeat the process. Copy the next motion prompt from Claude AI, upload the screenshot into Flow AI, drag it into the prompt box, paste the prompt, and hit send. Download, screenshot, repeat, all the way through to Motion Prompt 6. If you hit Flow AI's free daily credit limit before you finish, just create a new Gmail account and keep going. And just like that, all 6 clips are done and downloaded. 60 seconds of cinematic AI video, built scene by scene, completely free. Every clip connected, every movement flows. Right now, they're sitting as separate files on your device. The next step is where we bring them all together into one finished video. Open CapCut. Import all 6 clips and drag them onto the timeline in order. Clip 1, Clip 2, all the way through to Clip 6. Then hit play and watch the whole thing from start to finish. And this is the moment where it hits you. 6 prompts, 6 clips, and right there on your screen, a complete cinematic AI video built from scratch using nothing but free tools. Now do a quick cleanup. If any clip feels too long or has a slow moment, trim it and cut it out. Once the pacing feels right, select all the clips, click the audio icon on the right side of CapCut, and bring the video sound up to a comfortable level. When everything looks good, hit export. And that's it. The video is done and ready to post. And here's what that actually means. You just created the kind of video that most people think requires expensive software, a professional editor, or years of experience. You did it with a chatbot, a free AI video tool, and CapCut, start to finish. The only thing left now is the most important step of all. You have a finished video sitting on your device right now. A cinematic AI video, built with free tools. No script writing, no professional editing, no experience required. Just a prompt, a process, and the willingness to follow the steps. And the only thing standing between you and your first upload is the decision to post it. Don't overthink the caption. Don't wait until it feels perfect. Don't tell yourself you'll post it tomorrow. The creators who win on YouTube are not the ones who make the best videos on day 1. They're the ones who post while everyone else is still preparing. So go ahead and post it right now. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. I'm going to keep showing you exactly how to build this kind of content, step by step, completely free, right here on this channel. And if you want the full production prompt we used in this tutorial, drop Simpleey AI in the comments below, and I'll point you to exactly where to find it. I'll see you in the next one. This is Simpleey AI, signing out.